Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra case renders shows how the S Pen will be integrated. We are only 3 days away for the official unveiling of the Galaxy S21 series, and by now we are aware of everything that device are going to be. The start of this is how it will be the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and that's for several reasons. Not only because it is most expensive, but it is also going to be the first Galaxy S smartphone that will have full support for the S Pen. However, the S Pen will be a separate accessory and will not be housed within the phone as there is no slot. This generally means that the first and the third party case manufacturer will have to come out with their own ways of ensuring the S Pen has placed inside the case. We recently saw an official Samsung case that showcased the S Pen housing would be implemented, but that did not show everything clearly. However, the latest leak of the official Samsung case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra shows how the implementation will work, and well, I have some concern with that. The latest leak is coming from WinFuture, which has given a fresh press render, and this is one who has the S Pen on its own, along with how the case is going to work when it's come to housing the S Pen. Now, the source claims that this is a silicone cover, and we are all familiar with the Samsung rendition of these cases. Although the case itself looked good as far as the protection, but the looks are concerned. I really am not sure about the added width. That will be concerning because of the S Pen housing. While some people might like the idea of it, the whole case make the phone look very disappointing. While some people might like the idea of it, the whole case makes the phone look very disproportionate. As someone who is buying the Galaxy S21 Ultra, this case is a big no for me. At least I'm looking forward to seeing what other case makers have to do so far as the situation is concerned, because the official silicone case just does not cut it. With that being said, Samsung has officially revealed a new trailer for the Galaxy Unpacked event for the Galaxy S21 series. It does not give us any detail about what to expect for that, and looking at that trailer, it doesn't give us any kind of new information about the device, because the trailer is so fast that we cannot recognize any particularly new information about it. And how the last information regarding the Samsung tags has been arrived, and honestly they are going to be coming in 2 different variants. One is going to be Smart Tag and the other one is going to be Smart Tag Plus. Honestly, we don't know anything about the Smart Tag Plus, but they are in the rumor mills right now, and honestly I think that they are going to be a little bit better in terms of quality and performance. Other than that, I don't expect that there is going to be any much kind of an improvement in the Samsung Smart Tag Plus. Anyhow, these are some of the latest leaks from the Samsung world. What do you think about the latest leak that has been arrived by the S21 Ultra new case that has been surfaced? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.